everybody, come my crochet nook. I'm Linda, and today we're picking the winner for May's giveaway. I want to thank each and every one of you for leaving such lovely comments, and it surprised me how many people really like the colour purple. And I want to also welcome all my new subscribers and my new members too. So welcome and thank you so much for joining my YouTube family. So today I just want to refresh your memory what the prize is. So you're going to get this notebook and it's got a sheet of stickers in. So it's all the smiley faces and cupcakes. Who doesn't love a cupcake? And then you're going to get this crochet hook. I'm not sure what size it is. Let me see. Oh, 4mm, blind as a bat. You're going to get a cute coaster, and it says the Happy Hooker. And you're going to get a bag of stitch markers with one of my personalised stitch markers, which has got a purple stone apt. And then you're going to get 3 of these snuggly Cedar cotton. It's 50 grams, so you're getting 150 grams. There's 116 yards, so there is 300 and 6, 12, 18, 40, yeah, 48. So you're going to get 340 for 48 yards. And the all you had to leave in the comment was the not the number isn't it? Purple isn't a number, is it? All you had to type in was purple. And so what we're going to do is I'm going to turn you around and we'll pick the winner, shall we? And good luck everyone. As you can see, I put the URL in. I've filtered duplicate users and I put the colour purple, and we have got, let me see, we have got 229 comments. I hope you can see. There we go, 229 comments. So we scroll down here, whoops, scroll down and we'll start. So good luck everyone, and the winner is, oh, Maribel. Wow, congratulations Maribel. Congratulations. Also check to see if Maribel is a subscriber of my channel, and as you can see, there I am there. So congratulations Maribel, I'm absolutely delighted. So if you can leave me an email, send me an email here, and my email's also in the description box too. If you can send me an email with your home address, I'll get your prize sent off to you. So congratulations. I'm sorry I couldn't give each and every one of you a prize, but don't forget to come back on Thursday and I will have pick 3 winners for Reggie J Hook Crochets Asgard shawl. So I'll see you all again real soon. Take care, stay safe, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you all again real soon. And don't forget the thummies. Bye for now.